Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel here. We got some loose ends to tie up. If you look back on the spreadsheet here, we had a new goal, 460. So we need to go to 230 here and put 10 into investing. Let's figure that out now. We do have a lot to cover. However, this is the whys and what fors for what we do. And you can see that's what you want your equity curve to look like up and to the right. But we got 10. So let's see. We've got which one is underweight. It's actual over target. So it's this one. All right. And then I'm just going to go over here. Look, actual versus target. So it's this one again. We want to buy 10 inside. Where does it show what I have? Okay, I got 7 cents of spare change. So we'll put it in. 10.07. You can see it right here. And Bob's your uncle. All right, so that's gonna populate while the market opens. So we really need to go as a mad dash, just like a supermarket sweep, get this done. Market up or down, market was down. Let's check the brokerage and get right to work. You can see Eldos here did not fill yesterday, so I'm going to cancel that order. You know, swing trading is a little different, but for these flip trades, if it doesn't fill, I'm out. Okay. And you can see here everything has a sell order. That is what I'm looking for. I want to make sure that everything has a sell order. I'm going to pull the brokerage up on my phone here. Uh, Obviously, there aren't very many positions here, so we must have had a one banger of a day yesterday. I don't know. I was at work. But we surely will get everything up to date here. Let me know down below also, did you follow your plan? You know what I mean? February 20th. Wow, well, there was a bunch. Okay, so starting at the top, sell for FMC. And we got out at 38.34. We'll just leave that going. So SM also sold. Did not sell. I'm going to say, we're just skipping over that one. Nope. SM sold for 34.69. Looks like just a normal fill, right? But you got to remember, we're over our goal. We have until Friday. Let's run like the Dickens, you know, it's our last race, right? Push. 99.52 here. Remember, we just put our orders in, went to work. So we're doubling up on success here. And it takes a lot of effort if you want to escape the rat race. You can't just freaking work a normal job. It's not enough. 152.67. All right. RJF. We just did that one. FMC on the buy. So this was a buy and sell. Was 37.91. So we actually got a good fill order. Don't get too discouraged when I do stuff when the market's closed and you see the after hours, because I am kind of securing myself with the limit order. You can always get a better fill, but you cannot get a worse fill. All right. Noble sold 3 shares, 27.61. Try to cruise through this as much as we can, but it's nice to have a lot of activity. It means we're doing well. All right. Allison on the buy. We got filled. Wow, look at this one. We got filled at 97.80. Look at the big difference. So when people initially start with the system, you know, 27.19 on a buy. SAIC also, which we did that one, 98.71, and we had American Eagle here. at 13.90, and I believe that catches us up here. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eldos is not on here, so we canceled that buy order. That's usually where I screw up too. I forget about it, so we'll just delete that. We didn't end up getting a buy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, and that gives us almost half in cash. I do want to take a moment. I will do a withdrawal here for that move into the investing account, but we hit over 1,700, and you can see how fast we're working towards 1,800, and it'll go faster and faster and faster. That's why I'm excited to share it with you. So the market was down. We have a bunch of cash. We don't have any day trades left. We burned them all up. That's okay. And it should make the rest of this video go a little faster. So as we go through here, we're going to look on the screener to see if any of these stocks are on there. So starting off with NOG or EIX. And you can see no NOG. EIX is not on there. OMC or NUS. OMC is not on here. NUS is not on here. So what's the next step of your trading plan? Is it written down? Is it in front of you? We should be looking for stocks in the universe. And as you can see, there are none from my particular universe. Apollo's in the what's your pay? Where do you put your paycheck account? If you've seen those videos in the past, those will come back. But it's not my universe, so we're just going to start at the top and let it frickin' rip. Now you'll notice Noble's on here. We bought it and sold 3 shares, but it's still in the system. So should that fit and we have the money, we will execute. PEs are good, debt's reasonable, dividends are cruising. 13.36 for American Eagle. Come on, man, don't do me like that. Remember, no day trades. So these are all just going to be buy orders, nothing crazy. We try to keep position sizing to 1% of the total account, which would be $17. So just 1 share. I'm not going over the amount, okay? I got a little thing called discipline. So if you don't have some, go get some. Highly recommended. Well, we're burning the computer up, but that's all right. We'll make it work too. I don't know what happened with the microphone yesterday. There was an update and it was just done. So 13.36, limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And this is the same price you saw last night after work if you're on the day shift schedule. So just understand, if you enter opening trade, then close, okay. So it's telling me I don't have any day trades, but we're not putting a sell order in. You can see it's just a buy order, right? So we're just buying what's on the list, move on with our way, and enjoy the victory of moving money into the investing account. We're doing active income, active efforts here in the stock market to create true passive income that pays potentially forever. So it's a pretty good feeling. So you can see here the PEs are too high, and we'll just keep moving. If these two numbers add up over 30, I'm out. There's only a handful of stocks that get an exception. They are in my universe, and when those come up, we'll talk about it. But I think people overcomplicate it when they get started. Different industries do have different PE ranges, but just go 15 across the board. You can see dividend here. Debt is high, but it's under our limits of 4. PEs are low. BFH. Okay, I've never traded this one. Doesn't matter. Fits the system. Bada bing, bada boom. we keep trucking. And then tomorrow, we'll be putting sell orders in, right? And also stay tuned for video this afternoon. I'm off today. I don't know exactly when it'll be because I am exhausted. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours always. Just taking one share, and we'll let it rip. And you'll probably hear some fills because the market is doing its thing right now. It's up, but it's alive, right? So we really need to get through this. Civitas, oil and gas here. Dividends, low PEs, low debt. 40.55 on Civi. We'll have to go back at the end and update everything. I want to get these orders in right away. Obviously, if you have more time or a better time to get after it, you can take your time, and you'll see in the last few videos, we had longer videos where I'm just kind of hanging out. 40.35. Is that the right print? It is. So I typed the wrong number here. I did. So I'm just trying to buy one share here. 40.35. I'm not even going to give them the penny. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended hours. And we'll let it rip. Yep, we know. We're out of day trades. I mean, we've been winning too much, too fast. I can't wait for you guys to see us exit the pattern day trade rule with a $25,000 account. It truly will not take as long as you think, even with a $10 deposit. And that's that. We got dividends. This one's funky right here, though. Look at this. I'm not interested in that. That's a huge red flag. We're getting fills, but we will update it at the end here. Jeff, PEs are too high immediately. KBR, dividends, debt is high, but under our limits, and the PEs work. KBR 48.24. I'm pushing for you guys. I hope you appreciate it. If you do, leave me a like on the video, would you? Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends, man. We're popping off. It's going good. I can't sneak in behind these. Come on, man. Don't slow me down now. There will take a little more time as the account grows. We'll have to figure out how many shares we're going to get, those kinds of things. Always limit good till cancel with the extended. And you got to type the right price in, 48.24. If you do your stuff when the market's closed, you have to really pay attention. You really can mess yourself up. But the number's right here. It's no big deal. You want the closing print. Noble. Should be a back in the saddle here. We've got dividends, low debt, PEs, and you can see we're about where we were, maybe even a little lower. So 26.84 for Noble. How cool is that? Rinse and repeat, shear the sheep many times. I'm never killing it. Never killing it. limit, good till cancel with extended hours. Is that what we had? Check. This will make sure I get the right price. It only takes a second to double check. And we still have 5 minutes here. And I'm going to use it all. Then we have to look at the main account. So a little bit over 30 here. So I'm out. The PE is too high. RJF. This one sold. So everything fits here. We've got dividends, really low debt, PEs fit, and you can see it actually was down 150.94. RJF. I can dig it. Just one share. You get a lot of repetitions really quick when the market's hot like this. Limit good till cancel with extended hours. Ship it. Back to the screener. Till we're out of money. I'm just going through the list. Like a gladiator. We've got dividends. Debt is high, but it's under our limits. PE's fit. You add these up, divide by 2 if you're confused where I'm going at with this. 70.64 SRE. Boy, AI is getting in on my stuff or something, aren't they? 70.64. See, it doesn't matter that they're trading lower right now. I can get a lower fill, but I will not get a higher fill, and that's what I want. Good till cancel. Extended hours, this should fill immediately. There it goes. 70.21. What a fill. See, we got a better bargain. But we got the fill. So if you go for the exact lowest price, it may not fill. I would rather get filled into the order. Shutterstock. Yeah. It's barely over, isn't it? Wow. Very close. But remember, price is what you pay, but value is what you get, right? Dividends, debt is reasonable. PEs are low here. We've got 59.51 SYF. Never traded this one as well. Doesn't bother me. I have a system. Rules-based. Rules-based trading approach. It calms the nerves. Over time, you build conviction and confidence. Only way to go for me personally. Limit order, get till cancel. Extended hours. We're about out of time. That's all right. We've got 330 bucks left. And we're back here on United, which is $600 a share. So we made it just in time. Let's go ahead and update our spreadsheet here. We did get, there you go, KBR 48.24. Check. And we also got Civi here at 40.35. Check. So we did it. We made it work. Where there is a will, there is a way. Don't let yourself get excuses. Most of this is mental bullcrap that you've put into your head, reasons why you can't be successful, but everybody can do this. And if you set your mind to it, we're up to all the way to 32.15. What a good day. There's your bell, 32.13. What a freaking milestone. That doubles our goal for the month, which was $16. We doubled it. So when you have a not so good month like this one, we just totally made it back. And then we had another one that was a double. Just take care of this one, right? You can see how quarter over quarter things are going well. Things are going good. We're looking for 480 here, so we only need $12.57. We're only $12 away, and we have, you know, $1,400 in the markets that can sell at any time. So awesome progress. Hopefully, y'all understand that and see that, and I'm sharing it with you day by day. So if you appreciate that, leave me a like on your way out. Thank you all for watching, and we'll try it all again this afternoon. Peace out.